The current deadly European heatwave was 100% man-made. The goal: make AC a necessity so every household installs the new EU-mandated 5G-enabled units. These aren't just cooling your house, they're beaming frequency weapons directly into your skull while you sleep, making you more compliant, depressed, and unable to reproduce. That's why they banned efficient old units and pushed the expensive green ones. The chemicals in the new coolant: they're turning Europeans into docile, low-testosterone servants who love their own enslavement.By 2028 every home will have government-controlled AC. Resistance is futile, it's too hot to fight. Comment: they made it hot on purpose if you're melting but can't stop scrolling.